manligawan ng sakramento ng binyag sa pamamagitan ni Jesucristo, kasama ng Espiritu Santo at pasawalang hanggan.
An innocence that you cannot get back. The pain is real, you can't erase it. Sooner or later, you have to face it down. You have to face it down.
Dahil sa bagong binyag na nanahan ng Diyos, wala siyang kasing dalisay at kasing pure, parang anghel. At yung purity na yon, yung kadalisayan na yon, yung dapat pag-ingatan ng mga ninong at ninang, especially ng mga magulang.
Don't let them shut you down. Don't let them shut you down. You are loved. You are loved. Do you feel the ache inside your soul? You know you'll never make it on your own. Sorrow is too great for you to hold it. You're gonna break. Why don't you lay it down? Freedom comes in letting go. Open up the window to your heart. Freedom comes in
Welcome like to celebrate ang kanyang birthday here at Jolly Retail Market. Together we proud Mommy and Daddy, and together we have our little star, Zoe.
You are loved. You are loved.
Oh, what a day to be alive. What a dream to have a heartbeat. What a way to spend my time walking on this satellite. Everything I need is here and now. Look at how the colors dance around. I could give it all away for free.
Message ko na po kay Sony ay good health po para pag magkakasakit. Nakakabay ka ng bata.
Don't need anything but don't want anything but
Po sana huwag magkasakit. Makinig sana. Mag-iiw!
Sana lumaki kang maayos sa tawag sa Diyos. Happy family lang palagi.
Matalino ka lang mo at maging mabait. Kailangan mo.
I want my spirit lifted high. I wanna live amongst the stars. Everything I need is here and now. Look at how the colors dance around. I could give it all away for free, and would it even matter? 'Cause all I need is don't need any give it all away for free, and it wouldn't even matter, 'cause all I need is don't need anything but
Thank you sa inyo lahat sa mga naglaan ng oras sa kayo mga bungahe. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at nabusog. Yun lang. Thanks.